Hi everybody, I am Jagan from Raj Noho Arts and Crafts. Today I am going to show you the different type of macrame threads that we sell in our shop. These threads are called as macrame threads, and the major color that is running is black and white, which can be mixed with all these colors. I am going to show you one by one all these colors. So you can see here these threads look like a lace, like shoelace, and all these threads are made of nylon, and you can make baskets, torrents, and also flower pots and interior decorations, and also kudai, many more from these macrame threads, handbags like that. So we have more colors in this each, and it comes in wholesale pack also, like this, has a 5 in a packing. And these are all the colors that we have at present, and many more colors are also there. Peacock blue, and this is like a peach color, and this one is a, can see here, this one is a cerulean blue, and you can match with any of the black and white or with these two colors. Macrame threads, they use like knots more than needles. They use only knots, small knots, big knots, and thereby make a big huge product. So these threads are quite apt for making those knots, and also they won't change the color also. So this brand is the best premium brand, Jai Pratap, and which we sell here in this macrame thread for about 7 years, and we have got very good results also, and very good reviews from our customers also. So we have more colors like red, orange, this is a royal blue, navy blue, and this one is a brown color. You can see here brown color. You can just take a screenshot if you want for all these colors that I am sending, and just WhatsApp me so that it is easy for me to ship you. And this one is a pink, that is baby pink. So all these colors we have always in our store, and we can just send what you can just WhatsApp us, and we can send courier to your address. So these are the 6 mm macrame threads. These one are 6 mm macrame threads. And so now I am going to show you the macrame threads with some silver dots. So here in this macrame thread, you can see here, this one is a plain macrame thread which I showed you previously, and here this one has some silver dots on it, dots, that is zari macrame thread, you can say. And this is also made of nylon, each macrame, and each gram is about, so each macrame bundle, it weighs about 200 gram approximately. Let me check this also. You can see here it is about 208 gram. So this is a glitter one, and this one is a, so totally they add 410 gram like that. So it comes in grams only. So, and also each bundle has about 10 meters approximately, minimum 10 meters, but it will be more than that only. So white and black are the most predominant thing that we sell in our shop, and you can make different type of macrame products with these threads. So color choosing is also more important while choosing the macrame product. So for example, if you are making a handbag, so you should not take white because it may become dirty, that is, it may become dust more soon. So you can choose dark colors in most areas, and small areas you can use white colors, like that you can use. And also if you are using any other products like purse or some other things, you can small items you can make light colors prominent, and also dark color in small areas like highlighters you can use. So this is the 6mm macrame thread that we have. These are 4mm macrame threads. You can see here, this is the size. So this is how they looks. All these are made of nylon only, there is no cotton mixed. So these are all the different colors that we sell, and these are all single colors in 4mm macrame threads. These 4mm macrame threads is coming in cone form also. Cone, I will show you later that one. So this one is a 4mm single color, and also here it is a glitter, that is silver dots in it. So zari macrame 4mm, you can see here how they looks. So this is the golden color, the most running color in this format, and this is the, and these are used in making many items like small purses, and also for making wind chimes. So they use these for making wind chimes, and for making small jewelry making necklaces, and also for making toys, dolls, all other things and jewelry, and also for fabric purposes, cloths. They use these types of zari macrame thread, and each price I have mentioned in the below description in my website, as the price may vary according to the years. So I have not mentioning the prices, but you can see the prices in my website, in the below description I have put the thing, or just WhatsApp me, and just you can mark these colors and send it to me. I can courier to your address. So this 4mm macrame thread is also available in this cone format. You can see here, the weight of this cone also, which is about 70 grams approximately. So you can see here this one. So these are all the different type of colors in this 4mm macrame threads. You can see here. So this is navy blue, and this one is a royal blue, and this one is a peacock blue. There is a difference in blue also. So here this one is an olive green, and also orange and sandal color, and this one is a green, emerald green, this one, and this one is a peach color, you can see here, and this one is a gold color, how this gold looks nicely, and this one is a magenta, and also purple, royal purple, and also we have this also, that is pink, and also golden yellow. All these colors we have at present, and dark green in zari format, and also in this neon green, and brown, and also bronze is also available. So at present we don't have white and black, but these are all the different type of colors available. So you can use these 4mm threads for small hanging purpose, and also for making baskets, for fillers, like that you can make. So you can just WhatsApp us, and please subscribe our channel also. Don't forget to like this video. These are called as the Malai macrame thread, and these are not nylon, they are like cotton. These are like cotton, but they are velvety. So you can see here how velvety they are. So like when you touch also, they are very soft, unlike this. So this is quite rough like shoelace, but this one is a soft. So this is called as the velvety macrame thread also I call. And you can see here, this is the black color macrame in Malay macrame, and we use this for many purposes. I will show you now here. And we are also making arati plates here like this, you can see here. And in this Barbie, you can see this is the Barbie, and here in this Barbie we have used this. You can see here how we have used. So this is the same thread that we use here. So we are also, and also you can see here, this is the 4mm lace that is used in the lace also. This is the 4mm macrame thread that is used, gold color. And you can see here how this looks, comes out nicely. So we are also selling these plates also. I will be coming up with this video next. So these are all the Malay macrame thread. First I showed you this nylon. Second I showed you this cotton. And now this one is another type of macrame, that is plastic. So this is a full and full plastic macrame thread. So it comes in a bundle only. You can see here the weight also, how it here. It's 250 gram approximate, this one. So each and every weight is 250 gram. So it is about more than 100 meters it comes, I think so, approximately. But you can see here, these are all the colors: dark, light, pink, and also golden. And this is a lemon yellow. It looks like a neon green in camera, but it's lemon yellow. And this is a dark, there is light green, white, pink, and also this one is different and this one is different. This is a navy blue and this one is a purple, and finally this is a neon green. So these are all the colors that we have at present, and we are bringing more colors also. And this one is about 160 to 170 rupees per bundle. You can make baskets out of it, very good torrents also you can make. And next, hope you love this video. Coming up next is the macrame beads. So please stay tuned and subscribe our channel.